at how social media, with time and with obsession, with addiction, it can infantilize your mind. It can make your brain like the brain of an infant, a child. What do children love the most? Flashing lights and buzzing sounds. What does social media train you to love the most? Flashing lights, buzzing sounds. They just call them more sophisticated terms like notifications. And then look at the tantrum that the child kicks up when he or she, they have their desires not met there and then. Instant gratification. Why not? It's now. The child kicks up a fuss. They can't, they're not patient. They're not resilient. They're just weak stuff now. And the users of social media, what have they become? Like a child. Living off the next dopamine hit, like an addict. Living and waiting for the next notification to feel that you're validated by society. Otherwise, you don't feel that buzz, that hit. Looking for instant gratification, we become childlike with scattered attention. We're unable to focus. You pick up a book, you read half a page, and then you have that yearning to see what's going on your socials, but your phone hasn't even gone off. It's a phantom notification, they call it. You feel that your phone has gone off, but it hasn't gone off. It's an imagination because the brain has been rewired. So that a human being becomes childlike, living off instant gratification. Tantrums when you don't get the way you want. Distracted, anxious, all over the place, and unable to carry out a meaningful task. So this is putting social media in the balance. Therefore, brothers and sisters, anything, take it as a rule, that causes so much change in society, anything that is adopted by most of humanity requires attention from us.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.